For question number 2, it says, the volume of a 10 milligram dosage of medication is 1 cc. Dilute to 40 mLs and administer over 50 minutes. So again, cc's are the same thing as mLs. So to figure out how much diluent we need, I need to take the 40 that we're trying to get to minus the 1 that we already have. So this will be 39 mLs. Then for the flow rate, I want to use my formula, and this is microdrip, so it's 60, and it's over 50 minutes, so this is 50, and we're infusing the entire 40 mLs. So we do not use the 39 here because that's just the diluent. We want the entire mixture. So 40 times 60 divided by 50, and we get 48 GTT per minute.